Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Kelly and today I'm going to try out the L'Oreal Magic Skin Beautifier BB Cream. I've never found a BB cream that I really liked, I think because they were just a hot mess, so I really want to try to find one. And I'm going to try this one today. The color shade is absolutely off, but we are really just testing out whether or not this is a good item or it's a bad item. If you're super excited to see how this BB cream wears for the day and how it applies and my final thoughts on it, stay tuned and we're going to get right into the video. Okay, I want to jump on L'Oreal's website. They do have a guide to BB cream, and this is the best times to use a BB cream. I thought this was really helpful when I was looking it up. So I wanted to share it. Use a BB cream when you travel, when you're in a rush, when you want to rock a no makeup look, when you're planning to snap a lot of selfies, when you want to give your skin a break from heavy makeup, when you're breaking out, when you have a lot of redness, and when you go to the beach. So this is a BB cream. This is a beauty balm. So there is a lot going on in here. It primes, corrects, hydrates, and perfects for a flawless bare skin finish. So this is it right here. I do have mine in the shade Light. Let's rip it open, zoom you in, and let's get it on the face. They do only come in 4 colors, so hopefully this matches. If not, it is what it is. It's cold, it's raining here in Michigan, so we're staying in the house. But I'm super excited. Oh no, it looks like it exploded. So, and it's white. It's all over the cap. Let's see. It's almost liquidy. Oh, it's not super runny, but it is running. Because this is moisturizing and because it claims to have moisturizer in it and you can cut back on the skincare, this side of my face has all the skincare as I would do it any other day, and this side only has my toner. I'm really curious to see how well it wears, if there's a difference between sides. And I'm also just going to go in with my fingers since this is supposed to be something you travel with and something easy and on the go. I want to really see. Oh, this is... This has some pigment. It's white on my hand though. Oh, this is tripping me out. I'm also not using a concealer because it says that you can use it as a concealer. So I'm really going to put this to the test. For reference, I do have dry to very dry skin. Oh, I probably should have not got this color. But I'll make it work. It's not supposed to have a lot of coverage, but I'm curious to see how much it does kind of cancel out for me. Oh, this changing the colors is kind of tripping me out. It's kind of fun, but it's kind of a little dark. But this is about what I do tan to, maybe not quite this dark during the summer, so I will be able to use it, but I think I'll be able to use it anyways because it does seem like it's blending out and it's not as orange. Where'd it go? Primes, corrects, hydrates, and perfects. So we will test all of that. I didn't put primer on at all. And I really only put my skincare on half my face. Although it does seem to be drying down. So I might be kind of excited. Maybe I lucked out. This is... Oh, goodness. Am I leaving the house today? I don't think I'm leaving the house. No. I think we have track practice, and I gotta go get my daughter. Sunglasses it is. But... I'm taking it, I'm going to add a little bit more just so that I can take it down a little bit, down my neck. Then I am putting this on just as I would any other concealer or any other foundation. So I'm going to do the foundation area first, and then I'll go in with concealer, but I am just going to use this as concealer. This looks really, really orange. Oh. Well, I guess I can see where I have been and where I have not. Oh, crap. Yeah, I'm not even sure I get this tan in the summer. Okay, let's put it around the eyes. See if it kind of cancels or at least balances out my eye area. Or it just makes me look like super tan. Or orange. I'm not sure. I don't tan, so whenever there's like tan anything on me, I'm like, I look orange. So let me know down in the comments, does it look orange or is it just not? It's definitely too dark. So if I wanted to get away with wearing this right now, I could not. But it does feel nice on the skin. It doesn't feel tuggy or dry. Definitely not dry. So I definitely think I can feel the skin moisturizing properties on it. It's just, it's a little dark. It's not bad. I do have kind of a taller shirt on. Okay, I'm going to take it down my neck just a little bit because like I said, I do have to see other moms today. And it's cold here in Michigan because it's rainy and it's spring, so we are not warm yet. But I am just gonna, almost like a moisturizer, just kind of rub it in on my neck. Ooh. Behind my ear. Oh no. Maybe this will help decide if I want to self-tan or not. It's very weird to see me with tanned skin, like I said. But I definitely think, you know, it's light coverage. It's a BB cream. It's not supposed to be full coverage. It doesn't claim to. But the redness on my chin it's still there, but it's not as kapow. The redness around my nose is pretty much gone. My cheeks actually look really nice. I mean, there's redness and stuff going on there, but it's evened out. It looks like skin. It's light coverage. But my forehead, I kind of like my forehead. And it does feel like it completely dried down. So I'm going to not set it today. So that's one less product that we're going to use. And I am going to throw some eyebrows on real quick. I have the Rimmel Brow This Way Fill and Sculpt Brow Definer in medium brown right here to use. And I am just going to zoom through my eyebrows and I will be right back. Okay, my eyebrows are done. I am going to put a little bit of blush on my cheeks. Because like I said, I'm pretty sure we have track practice today. I don't know. I am going to go in with the e.l.f. Primer Infused Blush in Always Cheeky. I just got this, but I really have been enjoying this quite a bit. It's very pigmented, but it's very, very natural on my skin tone. Might actually have to fill it up a little bit more. Too much, too much, too much. Why do I always go overboard with the blush? It's always the blush. it does blend. And I did not set this, and this blush is really blending really nice. It's not grabbing. It's definitely blending out, and I really like it. That's actually really pretty. Love this blush. For eyeshadow, I am just going to go in with a single really quick with the Meech and Mia pressed taupe right here. I got this in Ipsy a couple months ago. And I'm just going to take a fluffier shadow brush and I would dab this all over my lid. It's seriously so weird to see me tan. It's so weird. And we're just going to take this up in the crease just a little bit. Just for a little bit of an interesting kind of a look. I really, really, really love color blocking right now. It makes mom life so easy. It's on trend. So, like, I'm a cool mom right now. For my teenage daughter's friends, I'm cool. But color blocking is in, and fast mom, great. Okay. And then I am, because I got a little bit of time, I am going to go in with a liner. This is just a brown liner by Beautifier. Their chocolate eyeline. And I am just going to do my waterline right here. Not my eyeball. And just my, like, lower lash line, just like the outer third, just a little bit of definition there. And then almost right on top of the eyelashes, I am going to do a little bit of liner the last 2/3 of my eye. Just a very, very thin eyeliner look. Okay, next I'm going to go in with my MAC False Lashes Extreme Black, and I will be right back. Okay, and this is the finished look that I'm going to be kind of rolling with. I really just wanted to test the foundation. I did go in with just the Ulta Beauty Juice Infused Lip Oil. I have mine in the peach flavor, which is my favorite. I am going to call a check-in time probably 12 o'clock. It's 12:10, 10 minutes to put shadow, mascara, farting around with my eyebrows, but I will go upstairs for a daylight check-in to see if there's a big difference between studio lights and outside lights. Sometimes there is, sometimes there's not. Sometimes I get the white balance correct, and sometimes I don't. So it's a learning curve for me. I apologize, but so far, first impressions, I kind of like it. I mean, other than it's orange. I mean, it might. Looking at the viewfinder, it doesn't look orange, but it looks tan. And I'm not tan. I don't tan, so tan looks orange, if that makes sense. But it did dry down. It's not sticky. It doesn't feel like it's matte, but it doesn't feel like I'm having a hard time describing it. It doesn't feel like it's gonna go anywhere, but we will see. I didn't put any powder on my face other than my blush, so we're gonna see how well the blush stays. There was no primer. I'm not sure if I said that I didn't use primer. I didn't use primer at all on my face, and I did only do half my face with my normal skincare routine, but I did spray my whole face with a toner. Just, I have very dry skin, so we'll see. But it's not clinging to anything as of yet. I mean, first impressions, like I said, it's not clinging, it's not emphasizing, it's not doing anything. It just looks like my skin, but tan. So I will see you in a couple seconds. Okay, just really quick check in outside so you guys can see it in natural light. I think it looks pretty much the same. It looks tan, but it looks orange on me. There's definitely a difference, but hi. It's cold, it's rainy, so we are not playing outside, but I do like it. And like I said, there's no dry patches. It's not settling into my pores or fine lines, anything. It just It looks like skin. It looks like no makeup day. And I will see you at the end of the night. Okay, I am back at the end of the night. It is currently 10:40-ish. Anyways, so we made about 10 hours, 10 and a half hours. I am going to zoom you in so you can see what I can see. If you are not familiar with my videos, I am a face toucher. I have been sitting here like this for a couple hours, waiting to extend the wear time for the video as long as possible, but I'm very tired, so I needed help holding my head up. So you can definitely see where my hand was, right here. But it doesn't claim to be transfer proof. It is just light coverage. It is just a BB cream. But until I sat here like this, I mean, my kids had touched my face. I don't feel like it's rubbing off just doing that. And it's not. Other than this shade is absolutely not my color. My eyebrows are really, really jankety right now. We're not looking at those, but just the foundation. So it never settled in my smile line here. And this side had the full skincare on, and this side had just toner. So it didn't have anything. I didn't use a primer because I wanted to see. And in the smile line, it made zero difference. On the sides of my nose, they look the same. You guys, it looks the same. My forehead, it looks the same. It's not settled, or there's no dry patches on the side where I didn't use all of my skincare. Compared to this side, there's nothing there. The pores down here that recently I've been having trouble with, they're the same. So I'm going to zoom you out and give you some final thoughts. So my final thoughts on the L'Oreal Magic Skin BB Cream, I like it. Other than, like I said, the shade is wrong. It's wrong. It wore well. 10 hours, that's fantastic. For a mom of 4 that they all touch my face. Well, I guess my teenager doesn't really touch my face, but everybody touches my face. My husband touches my face. I touch my face. The dog licks my face. We're still really good. You know, it lasted through all of my meals today. I just put blush on. The blush is still there. It's still there. So that's really great. I didn't show you up close either, but there's no settling or creasing. I never had to pat through my eyes again. There's no issues in the inner corner here. I think this is going to be amazing when I go camping because I won't have to take a tool, which is fantastic. And I won't have to take, multiple things because it's just one and done. I think it did a really good job evening out my skin issues, and it wore just fine. It's a light coverage, but I think it gave a pretty high light coverage. I've tried other foundations where it didn't even give me this kind of coverage. So kudos, L'Oreal. I'm going to go get I'm going to get the lighter shade, and I am going to wear it.